Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of cuisine. In today's episode, we're diving into the flavorsome realm of Chinese cuisine to uncover the secrets of Mongolian chicken. Get ready to discover some fascinating unknown facts about this popular dish. So, let's get started. Before we explore the culinary delights of Mongolian chicken, let's take a moment to learn about its intriguing history. Contrary to its name, Mongolian chicken is not actually from Mongolia. The dish's origins can be traced back to Taiwan, where it was created to cater to local tastes by incorporating Mongolian-inspired flavors. Now, let's delve into some lesser-known facts about Mongolian chicken. Authentic Mongolian cuisine is characterized by its reliance on meat, particularly lamb and beef, due to the country's nomadic traditions. Mongolian chicken, however, adapts the techniques and flavors of Mongolian cuisine to suit chicken, a more widely available protein. The key to the distinctive flavor of Mongolian chicken lies in its marinade. Typically, the chicken is marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, hoisin sauce, ginger, garlic, and sometimes a hint of chili paste. This combination creates a harmonious balance of savory, sweet, and spicy flavors. Traditionally, Mongolian chicken is cooked using a stir-fry technique that ensures the chicken remains tender while absorbing the flavors of the marinade. The high heat and quick cooking time allow for a crispy exterior and succulent interior, making each bite a delight. Rest assured that creating Mongolian chicken at home is relatively simple. With a few key ingredients and proper technique, you can savor this flavorful dish in no time. Now, let's talk about the incredible taste experience of Mongolian chicken. Mongolian chicken is a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. The savory umami notes from the soy and hoisin sauce blend perfectly with the aromatic ginger and garlic. The slight heat from the chili paste adds a subtle kick, enhancing the overall experience. That's a wrap on our exploration of Mongolian chicken. We've uncovered the fascinating history behind this Taiwanese creation, along with some lesser-known facts about its flavors and cooking techniques. I hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey with us. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear about your favorite Chinese dishes and any other fascinating food topics you'd like us to explore. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.